Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson about different kinds of food. My name is Kevin. Let's start. First, we have fruits. Fruits are sweet and juicy. They come in many different shapes, sizes, and colors. Examples are apples, bananas, and oranges. Each fruit has its own unique taste and nutritional benefits. Fruits are very healthy. They are packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for our body. Next, we have vegetables. Vegetables are good for you too. They come in a variety of colors and flavors. Some common vegetables are carrots, broccoli, and spinach. Vegetables are rich in fiber, which helps in digestion. They help you stay strong. Including a variety of vegetables in your diet can improve your overall health. Now let's talk about grains. Grains are foods like rice, bread, and pasta. They are a staple in many diets around the world. They give you energy. Grains are a good source of carbohydrates, which are the body's main source of energy. Many people eat grains every day. Whole grains, like brown rice and whole wheat bread, are especially nutritious. Then there are proteins. Proteins help your body grow. They are essential for building and repairing tissues. Examples are meat, fish, and beans. Each type of protein offers different benefits. Eggs and nuts are also proteins. They are versatile and can be included in many different meals. Don't forget about dairy. Dairy foods come from milk. They are rich in calcium, which is important for bone health. Examples are cheese, yogurt, and butter. Including dairy in your diet can help maintain strong bones and teeth. Dairy helps keep your bones strong. It's important to choose low-fat or fat-free options when possible. Finally, we have sweets and snacks. These are foods like candy, cookies, and chips. They are often high in sugar and fat. They taste good, but are not very healthy. It's okay to enjoy them occasionally, but they should not be a regular part of your diet. Eat these only sometimes. Moderation is key when it comes to sweets and snacks. Remember, eating a variety of foods is important. It helps you stay healthy and feel good. A balanced diet includes all the food groups in the right proportions. Try to eat fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy every day. This will ensure you get all the nutrients your body needs. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the like button. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you next time. Bye.